Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the Java JDK in the Windows 10 machine. First of all, you have to download Java JDK from the Oracle website. You come here, you select the version that you want. In my case, it was this one because my computer is a 64-bit, and I downloaded and installed it, as you can see here. Now you have to add the Java home to the environmental variables of the Windows. So you come to this PC properties, advanced system settings, environmental variables, and here you go to system variables or for your current user. In my case, I'm going to add to the system variables for all the users. So I create a new variable and I call it Java underscore home. Here, the value I go to browse directory and is in this PC, Windows C, program files, Java JDK, this one. Click OK, and you have now to add the binaries to the path. So you click in path, edit, new one, percentage Java underscore home, percentage slash bin. You click OK, 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 and that's it. To test if everything went well, go to command prompt, you write java-version, and this should be the output. So now you know that everything is installed correctly.